If you bring you want me, really wanna get low, it ain't no lie. Really wanna get low, really wanna get low. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you bring you want me, it ain't no whip.
He ain't got no hope in beating this trial because he lost his motion.
Save, you know I'm that nigga. My diamond freezing, they making you shiver. You know I deliver that me like I'm domino. You ain't gotta ask me.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So, do I have everything? This is so weird. I am going to be filming my everyday glowy makeup tutorial that you guys requested. If you guys don't like my hair, don't say nothing. I don't know, I'd be bored. And I was inspired by Arrogant Tay. And he did Ari's hair like this once, actually a while ago. This is Fresh Face and Makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and get in. I don't know if I want to voice over this or if I want to talk through. I think I might talk through some portions of it, but then speed up most of it just because I'm trying to jam out, you know what I'm saying? Do a thumbs up this video, give me a comment on what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. My social media is Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram is all at Gabbi Dabney. And yeah, I basically just did my hair like this, so I want to take a photo with it. And I'm probably gonna take it up tonight because this ain't really a vibe. It's supposed to be like a messy, like partying. I don't really know. I don't really know what I was going with. I guess I probably could have braided like one of these different ways, but I used to be bored. I'd be trying shit, but I just fucked my hair up. I just want to do a quick disclaimer. I understand that this tutorial is not going to be for everybody. This is supposed to be a no makeup look, so very minimal makeup, you guys. I understand there's parts of this makeup or methods that I do that do sheer out my makeup quite a bit, that do take away makeup. That is the point. I'm doing that on purpose. So if you want something full coverage, definitely you can change, you know, add concealer, add foundation, add whatever you need, make it your own. You have to do it the exact same way that I'm doing it, but don't be roasting in the comments like, that's pointless, you're putting on makeup to take it off, blah blah. I does this. All right, so I don't got anything on my face. I'm gonna take these two braids and just flop them back so they're not like in the way. Oh my gosh, my first makeup tutorial in forever. Eee! Primer. And I'm just gonna take this on my nose a little bit, just because, I don't know. My skin really doesn't get oily. I have like, I would say combination skin, but I would say more so on the dry side. Like I washed my face probably a few hours ago and like this is what it looks like, so. You. Oh, my beauty blender. Fuck. My Makeup Forever HD stick, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender. And I'm also gonna take a flat, not flat, but like a stiff, I have eyelash glue on my back. Ignore that. But I'm gonna take, this is by Real Techniques. It's just like a kabuki brush. And basically any areas that have imperfections, I'm going to kind of cover with it. Because this is a very full coverage foundation, but I want the coverage, but I don't want a lot of makeup on. So this does a job with like a little bit of makeup. If that makes sense. You might think, well, why don't you just use a light coverage foundation? I don't want my whole face coverage. I want my freckles to show. I want my skin to look like skin, but I want like some of the redness on my nose, discoloration around my mouth, a little bit on my cheeks, my eyes are a little bit red, just like little areas like that I want to kind of even out and then move forward. So what I like to do with my nose is I take my ring finger and I just press some product like that, and I'll kind of fill in around my freckles just because like I said, I don't have to cover my freckles. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on my eyelids. So next, I'm going to be going in with some concealer. I'm using the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer by Urban Decay, and my perfect shade is 60 WR. So I use a very little bit, like right there, that's it. And I just like to, I for my under eyes, I do have a little bit of like bluish. And I don't really put concealer anywhere else. I might put a little bit on my nose. But yeah, I don't really put anything else anywhere else. I let that sit for a second. Now, what I want to do. Okay, so my trick, I'm gonna do that. Trick with concealer with this, all my methods and stuff, this is not universal necessarily. I just pretty much do these techniques and tricks on this makeup look. I'm gonna blend out my concealer with my ring finger. I don't do that with when I'm doing like my full coverage makeup, but I just find this just helps keep the product so it doesn't transfer all over my face. I found the Beauty Blender kind of blends it down, and again, like I don't want to cover my face. I just want like just the area that I apply the concealer to have the coverage. If you don't have under eye circles or discoloration, you can skip this step. And if you have like deeper set like sunkenness in your eyes, you can do more concealer or do a brighter concealer. Just kind of make it your own. And after that, we'll go back in with a clean Beauty Blender and kind of press it out. And again, like this is one of the steps, like I know doing this takes away some of the product. This is the clean side, that's the side I just used. It picks up some of the product, that's the point. Then I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder, and I'm gonna take a brush like this. Just kind of fluffy that a little bit angled. I'm pretty sure it's just like a Sonia Kashuk line. And the powder I'm using, if I can fucking find that. Fenty Beauty, my favorite under eye powder, and I'm in shade Cashew. It has such a pretty brightening effect to it, so I love it. I'll take like my foundation brush that doesn't, you know, whatever's left on it, just kind of dust it off. And then do the same thing to the other side. I'll be right back.
Shot a little traffic, she working magic. She run up a check, she tired of being average.
My mama calls, see you on TV. Sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changed and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations.
This is Makeup Revolution. Oh my god. This is Makeup Revolution, the Fast Base Stick Foundation, and this is F16. I'm just gonna use this to contour my nose a little bit on the tip. Like that, basically. And then leave it and you're done. I hate when YouTubers say that shit. I keep fast forwarding this part because it's getting darker outside, and I don't want to have some time to take photos because I have a few different pictures I want to take. So I'm just gonna kind of like, you know, tell you what I'm doing and then just fast forward it and you guys can watch me do it versus like me sitting here and talking through it. So I'm out to blend in my nose contour with also setting it with a cotton wedge and my Fenty Beauty translucent powder. I can't talk today, oh my gosh. Do that. And then I'm going to gloss my skin, add my highlight, which I'll show you guys how I do that. And I think lashes. I'll show you a no lash look today.
I got the perks, bring the box in. Fell in love with, she want my time. Bought some new diamonds, don't have to share. never got a problem, I'ma shoot with him. Started on the lane, the same with you.
Okay, so a little up close of my face. My camera cut off. I don't know why it cut off. I thought it died, so I like continued. It didn't die. I don't know what's going on with it. Basically, all I really did is blended everything out, and that was basically it. I'm really torn if I want to do lashes or not. I'm tempted to not do lashes because like I don't ever not do lashes, but then again, I'm kind of like, if I get dressed and go out to take these photos and I do no lashes and I come back and look at these photos and I don't like them, I'm actually pissed. So I'm tempted to go ahead and just put the lashes on. But that's basically it for the tutorial other than the lashes. I don't know if I want to or not. I kind of fuck with it without the lashes. I'm gonna get dressed and then see what we look like. BRB.
And I've been taking all this codeine to the face. Got a lot of M's in the safe. Caught it from other tribe, selling dope.